Themis, the goddess of justice, is always depicted blindfolded, and in her hands she holds the scales of justice. And she weighs up, and in your hands you are holding the scales of justice, because how many times have guys had pressure tests that fail, and then we have to go and rehabilitate the lines, or people have to go and do leak detection because the scales of justice are showing something. These scales of justice are tools that need to be respected, and we need to be blind and impartial to what the gauge says. The problem is that we disrespect our own tools when we scratch the lenses and it becomes visibly impaired and you can't really see your scales of justice. And so we put a lens or a screen protector like you would on your cell phone. And it's pretty cool because you can just peel it off. Another really good thing to protect your gauge is to put a snubber. And it's a little insert that goes in with a flat screwdriver. This is a needle snubber. You get piston snubbers, you get 5-stage mesh snubbers. This gauge has got no snubber. You can see the orifice is completely open, whereas this one has got a snubber. Exactly the same product, same orifice, it's just that there's a snubber, because you want to suppress that pressure surge. Pumps make surges, and how many times I've seen guys, me personally, I've done it, on with engineers standing by, and your pump kicks in and you've destroyed your gauge, or you've damaged it, and now you've got impartial gauges. You know, many years ago, I was a supposed specialist witness. So I was a witness for the defendant. The plaintiff claimed that there was all sorts of issues. It gets to court, and I was the most useless witness ever, and I've learned my lesson now. And they said, sir, have you calibrated, show us your calibration certificate for your gauge. And I said, what? You know, 20 odd years ago, we disrespected things, and we didn't realize how much responsibility was being put just into a little thing like a pressure gauge. It's a trade and metrology instrument. Respect it for what it is. And guys, let's uplift the industry and let's learn from our mistakes. And let's not do dad jokes about snubbing snubbers.